In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a connected project management hub. We'll build everything inside Notion, starting from a blank space and ending with a clear home base and a set of linked subpages that keep your work organized and easy to navigate. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option, then select your Google account and follow the prompts to get in. Once you're in your workspace, create a new page. This will be your central hub, so give it a clear, memorable name. Project Management Hub is a great example. Think of this as the front door to your entire system. Inside the hub, use Notion's quick/ command to create your first subpage. Type a / followed by the word page. This makes a child page right inside the hub. Click into the page you just created and give it a focus name, like Active Projects, so it's obvious what belongs there. Now start adding relevant content to make it useful. You might write a short description of what the page is for, outline the kinds of projects it will track, or add placeholder notes you'll refine later. The goal is structure and clarity first. Polish can come after. Head back to your hub. From here, repeat the same move to grow your system. Type the /page command again to add another subpage, then name it clearly and fill it with content that matches its purpose. Each subpage you add from the hub stays neatly nested under it, so everything is one click away and organized in a way that's easy to understand. Keep repeating this process for anything relevant to your project management workflow. Typical examples include upcoming tasks, backlog, meeting notes, or templates. The key is consistency. Name pages in a way everyone on your team will recognize. Keep each page focused on a single purpose, and add a brief summary at the top so anyone landing on the page immediately knows what it covers. As your hub grows, the breadcrumb at the top and your sidebar make navigation effortless, and your main hub page remains the single starting point for all work. That's the complete flow. Go to Notion, sign in with Google, create a central hub page, use the /page command to add subpages, name each one, fill them with relevant content, and repeat. Maintain clear titles and concise explanations, and your connected project management hub will stay organized, current, and genuinely helpful for your day-to-day work.